Hello, this is about the new Hyundai VENUE IMT which has been launched today. It's gonna start from 9.9 lakhs and you'll get in the SX trim and also SXO which costs about 11.9 lakhs ex-showroom price. It's going to come only on the exclusive turbo petrol, 1 liter turbo petrol, and it's having DCT gear option, and it will be a direct competitor to the Kia Sonet, which is going to release later this year. We haven't received this car still yet to the market, so the drive experience and everything will be late after once it's launched. We have to review that. The Kia Sonet will also be launching its IMT version. It was first debuted in the Kia Sonet concept car, and the Hyundai VENUE has already launched it now. So the Sonet will be the second car to launch it in India, and the 1.0 TGDI petrol version will be the only one which will be getting the IMT. IMT stands for intelligent manual transmission, where you won't be having a clutch, but you will be having a manual gear which you have to put it like for first gear, second gear, everything, but clutch won't be there. It will automatically intelligently put the clutch itself. Once we get the car in hand, we'll get to know how it's going to work in real life. It's better than AMT, and we have to seize it.